Amazon's AI-powered voice-based virtual assistant Alexa is now getting deeper into Android. How? Well, you can now set Alexa as the default assistant on your Android device. So if you're looking for a reason to move away from the default Google Assistant, then you are at the right place as we tell you how to set Alexa as the default virtual assistant on your Android smartphone. But before we go ahead with the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit the bell icon so you know when we have a new video. Download the latest version of the Amazon Alexa app from the Play Store. Once the app is installed and before opening the app itself, first open Settings, go to Apps and Notifications, select Default Apps and from Assistant Voice Input, choose Alexa as your default Assist app. Now you're almost there. Just long press on the Home button and you'll see instead of Google Assistant, it will now be Amazon Alexa. Quickly set up the app. Enter your Amazon credentials or create a new account if you don't have one. After that, tap on Begin Setup, which on the next screen you can completely skip as we are setting up Alexa as the default assistant on the phone. From the next screen onwards, just follow the prompts and grant access to the permissions the app asks for. They will be contacts, record audio and location of the device. Once set, tap on Done and you are ready to go. One thing to remember is that you can't use the Alexa hot word to trigger Alexa, which means you'll have to long press the Home button every time you need to activate Alexa for your voice commands. So that's it for this video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments as to which assistant you prefer, Alexa or the Google Assistant. And like always, for all things tech, log on to Gadgets360.com.